Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy. This is what water, you know, them little stains in your ceiling that you put off. This is what comes of it if you don't take care of it. Now, it can be prevented before it gets this far, but sometimes it's the inevitable happens, and this is what ends up happening. Alright guys, so we're about 23 minutes into this thing, alright? And we boarded up now and taped up over here on this seam here, alright? We're getting ready to mud this, blend this out, make it look okay. It's basically going to be like a peanut butter consistency mud that we're going to use. Alright, so we're all netted up with this 20-minute here. Ain't going to be perfect. It's going to need a little bit of sanding, a little bit of wet sand, and knock it down a little bit. We'll do that here in about 30 minutes once it sets up. 30-40 minutes, something like that, and then we'll come back over it, add another coat to it, put a little texture to it, and it'll be done. All right, so there's our finished product. This is what it looks like after everything's all said and done. It's a rental property. Like I said, it ain't gotta be perfect, just good enough. Come through the front door, you ain't gonna be able to tell no difference. Blends in, don't stand out. Good enough. Catch us on Facebook at ExtraPrep Pro. See y'all later.